Hi, my name is Tammy and I work with a few of the Royal LePage offices here in the Ottawa area. Today I am with Brian Suko, one of our broker managers with the company. A shout out to Ahmed Helmi from the Royal LePage office in Mississauga for officially nominating me to take the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. So, in the spirit and charitable culture of Royal LePage across Canada, I accept your challenge. And moving forward, I would like to nominate the following people: Margie Spence of the Royal LePage office in Niagara, Andrew Wildeboer of the Royal LePage office in Orangeville, and to move the challenge out west, I'm also nominating John Ripko of the Royal LePage office in Calgary. It is up to you guys now to either donate to the ALS Foundation, or you may further its cause and awareness by dumping a bucket of ice water over your heads. So, good luck to you guys. Here we go.